Kind of soupy out here. Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Feels good though. I don't know what the temperature is, but it's not bad.
See the gator?
I don't think they'd like the snow.
Nah.
Pretty wet down here. Cloudy. Cold. A little bit colder up here on top of the hill than it was down by the river. Edgewood Road.